Hey, I'm down at Unity Beach today, guys. Friday, just before the bank holiday. Make sure you come down. It's lovely and quiet down here. Can't believe how quiet it is. Can you, Damo?
No, it is quiet. It's a beautiful day, though.
Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel, by the way. Right? I keep people don't subscribe. And look at this lovely lake. Now, the reason I'm showing you the lake is for one reason only. This Boston Lodge, made by Willoughby, okay, has come available down here, Damo. And I want to show it to you guys. Yeah? It's up for sale for $169, yeah? On this location, and it's having a deck in, okay, and includes the site fees. And you can have 2-year guaranteed income. So I haven't got to pay any site fees for 2 years on this one, okay? Look at the location. You can park 2 cars in here. 2 cars in here, Kev. Lights, camera, action. When's the decking come in? And you need to order the TVs. Please.
What size TVs you putting in?
60 inch.
60?
60 inch today.
Like a cinema screen.
Listen, I'm in a good mood. There's a portable going in yours. Right, guys, look at this. Size of this. Just so you don't complain, it's not ready yet for sale. You're just having a sneak preview. We haven't kitted it out and put all the curtains up. It only got finished yesterday, Damo. Okay? But look at it. Big sliding opening doors. Gorgeous. Brand new Willoughby Boston. I think it's 40 by 20. Or is it 44?
40 by 20.
40 by 20.
This is huge, this one.
I just love the wood texture and this marble tops. I just
Yeah.
think it's gorgeous. Brand new. Loads of cupboard space. Loads. Look at this gorgeous sofa. Look at that size of that cloakroom. Just have a look at that.
We've got a Valiant boiler as well. They're top of the range, they are.
Well, they never break down, hopefully not. So, double glazed, central heated. This is a residential spec, Damo. Look at the cupboard space. All brand new. Yeah, look at that. Do you love the newness, smell and newness?
Beautiful, isn't it?
That's the curtains for the patio.
Nigel, can you just explain to the people looking about the finance options? With
Finance, 11.9 APR at the minute.
Okay.
Fixed rate, so it doesn't go up or down. It stays the same for the period you take it. So you could do it from 2 years to 10 years. If you want to go over 10 years, the payments are really low. This is for sale for $169. You need a 10% deposit and we can hook you up with the finance, okay? We'll do all that for you. All you need to do is come down, speak to Damo, he's the finance manager, he'll do everything for you, okay? That's his job. What's your number?
07976 827734. So, and then we
Look
can
at it.
also do a little bit of the renting side of things with this.
2 years guaranteed because we're fully booked for 2 years. It's that popular lodges, yeah? Because not that many.
Guaranteed or 2 years letting?
2 years letting and guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
You can have it off the price or towards next year's fees. We'll explain that when you come down. People won't believe me, but we're booked for lodges for next 2 seasons. It's that popular here, mate.
Oh,
This is Unity Beach.
Very popular.
This is the best park I've ever worked on. Best park I've worked on.
But I've never known you to be able to do 2 years guaranteed.
Look at the size of this bedroom. Well, I'm telling you, now I've got it all in writing, so you can have it in writing. Look at this. Look at the vanity space. Look at that for the missus. You could close that off and have another bedroom.
That's enough for her bags.
That's enough in there. Well, shower in here, and this comes with a bath. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
What size is that bed?
So this bed will all be dressed nicely when I do the next video. Okay, you can put the TV on the wall. I feel a bit frustrated showing you the van when it's not all dressed, but I wanted to give you a preview, guys.
Just a sneak preview.
Well, if you snooze, you lose with these. They're hard to get hold of.
Aren't they?
They're hard
They
to
are moving quick, and that's where we're going to put the TV on the wall there.
They're hard to get hold of, mate. So you got the double room as well. You got 2 double rooms really. You have a look in there because I'll be in the way. But you got 2 beds can go together. Yeah. Bath, everything, mate. 3 foot wide beds, marble tops, mate. Marble tops.
Another area for getting changed and
What's in there? I hadn't been here.
yeah, look, like another walk-in wardrobe as such.
This is gorgeous, mate. Beautiful. That beeping, obviously, we've got to change the battery in the smoke alarm. They do that, so you test them, yeah? They all do that, so you test them. But, Damo, hook me up or hook you up in the comments. Come down and see it. The beauty of this one is the sea. Sorry, not the sea view. And he said the sea view. I've lost the plot as to what.
You got the lake view.
Lake, and he said the pond then. or we can call it a swimming pool. It's up to you.
Lakeview. Let me. Hold on, we've got some tripod here.
There you go. So, any questions, Damo?
Yeah, give us a call. Any questions on the lodge? Give us a call. Decking should be going up in the next couple of weeks.
Comes with site fees as well, all paid this year.
Site fees all paid for the rest of this year. You
TVs
can
in it.
offset next year's site fees as well if you want to do a bit of renting out. We can organise the finance packages. We can do everything you want us to do. Really, just come down, bring your credit card, and I'll look after you.
Come down and see us, guys. Hey, thank you for watching, and have a fantastic weekend.